Hello everyone, happy good morning DXN to all. उदाउँदो सूर्य सकारात्मक सोच स्वास्थ्य जीवन हाम्रो खोज भन्ने मूल नाराका साथ स्थापना गरिएको यस तारा पौड्याल युट्युब च्यानललाई लाइक र सब्स्क्राइब गर्न नभुल्नुहोला र नजिकै रहेको बेल आइकन पनि प्रेस गर्नुहोला ताकि हजुरहरूले हाम्रो लेटेस्ट भिडियोको अपडेटहरू पाउन सक्नुहुनेछ। थ्यांक यू सो मच एभ्री
who supposed to have meeting with Mr. Kali Bahadur. I believe you guys are also here with me online. जैसे कि बम बहादुर भैया, a very good morning to you. Pramod Sharma ji, which is from Qatar, good morning to you. Som Prasad ji, good morning to you. There is Filipinos brother and sister also today online. So तारा भैया, आज मैं हिंदी में भी बोलूँगा और इंग्लिश में भी बोलूँगा. I hope you don't mind because आज हमारे साथ गेलिन बॉबॉक है, सिस्टर लवली रोज है, we have Merly Baritos Padin. So thank you very much for joining us today for today's session. However, the session is supposed to be in the Hindi language, but I'll try my level best to have both language, English and Hindi. But not to worry, you will never get bored because the slides are basically in English. So somehow whatever I speak, you will be able to catch up. The most important thing, do not worry. आपको समझ में नहीं आ रही है, आपको थोड़ा कुछ मैसेज लेकर जाना है. We just want to learn a little bit things, what we can do, how we can go about it in this business, and eventually how we can become successful with DXN business, the DXN unique system. So however, first of all, thank you very much to तारा पौडल जी. आपने आज की सेशन के लिए अच्छा सा अरेंजमेंट व्यवस्था की. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपने मुझे इनवाइट किया. Thank you so much also to Kali Bahadur ji who is present today on live watching us also. So I believe that आज के पूरे ग्रुप जो है काफी डायमंड्स लोगों का ग्रुप भी मौजूद है and I'm watching here we have got 55 people who is online. So once again, a very good morning to every one of you. आप लोग कहाँ से भी है, whether you are in Malaysia, you are in Philippines, you are in Qatar, you are in Dubai, you are in India, wherever you are, the most important thing, please stay safe. आप लोग अपना ख्याल रखें. That is the most important thing. Now, मैं आप लोगों के साथ थोड़ा कुछ शेयर करना चाहता हूँ. आज दरअसल मैंने थोड़ा कुछ तैयारी की है and in fact ये मैं बार लोगों के साथ शेयर करता हूँ. I usually will share. काली भैया, सॉरी तारा भैया, मेरी स्लाइड दिखाई दे रहा है?
यस सर, यस, ठीक है.
या ओके. सो यूजुअली माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, देखा जाए तो वी आर बेसिकली स्टिल इन द पैंडेमिक एंड वी डोंट नो, हमें मालूम नहीं है कि व्हेन वी विल गेट बैक टू नॉर्मल अगेन, हमें बिल्कुल मालूम नहीं है. हाउएवर देयर इज एवरी टाइम अ से the time basically will decide everything. वक्त जो है ना, वो हमें सिखाएगा कि हमें क्या करना चाहिए. So same thing now, किसी ने सोचा भी नहीं था कि जिंदगी में भी कभी ऐसे किस तरह की चैलेंजेस आ सकती है. So however, सब लोग सोचते हैं कि चैलेंजेस अच्छा नहीं है. Many people thought, challenges is not good basically, and they are not ready, they are not prepared to face any kind of challenges. Challenges, it could be in terms of work. Challenges, it can be something different. It comes into your life. It can be in terms of studies. It can be in terms of family. It can be in terms with your friend circles. It can be in any aspect. Challenges कई जगह से भी आ सकती है, स्कूल से, दोस्तों से, काम पर, हर जगह से भी ऐसे. इनफैक्ट money also can be a big challenges, yeah. And there's every time I say that people who are earning the living, they are also facing challenges. Why? Because they are staying or they are living for money. So my dear friends, whatever it happens, we must every time understand, हमें ये हमेशा याद रखना चाहिए, there are two area of control. एक वो कंट्रोल होता है जो हम लोग खुद कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. जैसे कि हमें कुछ काम करना हो, हमें माइंडसेट है, आर वी एबल टू कंट्रोल? यस, वी एबल टू कंट्रोल. कोई प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है तो ऐसा कोई भी होता है कि हम लोग सोचते कि कोई प्रॉब्लम ऐसी कंट्रोल में आ, कभी हालात इस तरह का बुरा हो जाता है कि हम कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाते हैं. There are also areas that we are not able to control, like today pandemic. None of us able to do anything, but we have to accept these challenges. Why? So today in these challenges, हमें ये देखना है कि इस challenges के अंदर हमें grow कैसे करना है. How are we going to grow in this kind of challenges? Let me telling you, my dear friends, it is going to be almost 2 years soon. Yeah, we have got another 6 more months to go. Complete 2 years from Malaysia, because I still remember March. It was a lockdown, complete lockdown. We don't know what to do. हमें मालूम नहीं क्या करना है. We don't know. We really don't know what to do. Very rare we used to do online meetings. हम मीटिंग ऑनलाइन पर बहुत कम करते थे. But today, this online meeting has become very powerful business tool in order for us to get connected with everybody. So thank you very much for Zoom. Thank you very much for Facebook Live. Thank you very much for you. You mentioned even Facebook also. Because of you guys, whoever had invented this, get us connected to each other. So हमें बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया कहना चाहिए ये सारे सोशल मीडिया को, बिकॉज इसकी वजह से आज हम सब लोग एक दूसरे के साथ कम्युनिकेट कर पा रहे हैं. सो हाउएवर माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, चैलेंजेस वो होती है हमें एक्सेप्ट करनी चाहिए. वी शुड नॉट रिजेक्ट, वी शुड वेलकम, बिकॉज हर चैलेंजेस के अंदर उसमें कोई चीजें होती है कि हम जो सही तरीके से सोचेंगे तो ग्रो हो सकता है, बदलाव हो सकता है. सो वी शुड वेलकम द चैलेंजेस, because in every challenges there is a growth. The growth can be in any manner. It can be in finance, it can be in your personal, it can be in business, it can be any manner. So never reject any kind of challenges which is coming to you, because challenges will make us grow experiences through all sorts of challenges. Now, however, let me share with you one thing. Coronavirus. Oh my God. I don't know, man. This word we never have heard before, but this word is today in our mindset, and never we will forget this coronavirus. Why? Because ये एक इतिहास हो गया है. ये कोरोना वायरस ने हमारा पूरा जिंदगी चेंज कर दिया है. It has changed our life now. Whatever it is, my dear friends, remember one thing. चाहे कोई भी problem हो, whatever problem you face, you please welcome that problem, because we never know we will be able to overcome the challenges or problem in a very good manner. Now, challenges are there, and what usually people will do, those people who think, लोग सोचते हैं कोई भी सामना होगा ना, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम होगा तो वो आसान तरीके से कुछ ना कुछ रास्ता निकाल लेगा प्रॉब्लम के लिए. A person who can really think wisely, logically, they will find some way somehow in order to settle some things. Example, if you feel hungry, what will you do? You will not ask hungry, don't disturb me. भूख लगी है, भूखो ने कैसे तू चुपचाप बैठे रहे. You will try to go and get something. Whatever things which is edible, कुछ भी आप खा सकते हैं, you will try to go and get that thing just to fill your stomach. So you see, this is also challenges. Now, if you're accessible to all kind of foods, then that's not a problem. But if, let's say, you're not accessible to any, whatever comes in front of you, you will just take it in order to just fill that stomach. So however, my dear friends, हमें accept करना है challenges. Please remember this thing. Now, the best thing is this. There are many people today, they want to do something. I'm very sure those people who are online today watching me, 65 people, you are still finding some ways. How am I to find an option for my living? How am I to find extra living, extra money for my family, for my future? लोग मौका ढूंढते हैं, चाहे पैसा हो, चाहे बिजनेस हो, कुछ भी हो. लोग आज के दिन में भी लोग मौका ढूंढ रहे हैं. So however, my dear friends, सबसे जबरदस्त बात यह है, today एक बड़ा दिन है. क्यों? क्योंकि इसी चैलेंजेस के अंदर हम लोग हमारा DXN का बिजनेस एक बड़ा सा ग्रोथ ला सकते हैं. Why? Because there are many people outside there are still looking for opportunity. They have lost job. We have got the solution. They have got health problem. We have got the solution. They want to earn money for their living. We have got the options. क्या है हमारा option? Our option is DXN. So my dear friends, I believe all of you, the members, know very much about DXN. You know about the company, you know about the product, you know about the unique system, the marketing plan. You believe the system whereby wherever you are sitting down today, whether you are at home, whether you are in Malaysia, wherever, you are still able to do this business anytime, anywhere, at your convenience. So मेरे दोस्त, मेरा कहने का मतलब क्या है कि आज हमारा दिन है. कैसा दिन है? ये मौका जो जबरदस्त DXN का है हमारे साथ जो दिया गया है. हम सब लोग मानते हैं कि ये कंपनी कितना पावरफुल है, कंपनी का प्रोडक्ट कितना बेहतरीन है, हमारा सिस्टम इतना यूनिक है. हम घर में बैठकर, कहीं से भी बैठकर, कन्वीनियंस कहकर हम हमारा बिजनेस हर जगह पर चला सकते हैं. एंड नाउ हमारे हाथ में टूल्स भी है. द सोशल मीडिया इज आवर पावरफुल वेपन्स. इट्स आवर टूल इन ऑर्डर टू make grow this business in a double digit, triple digit, and make your bonus increase. So my dear friends, let's welcome all this thing, the technology, the problem, the coronavirus, DXN, welcome everything, because all this thing is basically going to make you grow further. So however, there is people who do not think. जो लोग सोचते नहीं है तो वो बेकार होते हैं. जो लोग सोचते हैं तो वो हजारे रास्ता दिखा सकते हैं. However, मैं आप लोगों के साथ थोड़ा कुछ शेयर करना चाहता हूँ. There is people who every time used to ask me, sir, how am I supposed to be successful in this business? What am I supposed to do? क्या चाहिए? अक्सर एक कहावत होती है मेरे दोस्त कि जो भी हमें कुछ करना है वो सही तरीके से करना है. Whatever we want to do, whether it's work, anything in your personal life, we have to study in the right way. Yeah. If we do not study it in a very right way, eventually we will not be able to survive, or maybe we will be fail. तो हमें सही तरीके से कुछ आगे कदम रखकर, सोचकर, फिर हमें इम्प्लीमेंट करना है. हमें बदलाव लाना है. हमें सही तरीके से, जैसे कि लोग कहते हैं हमेशा एक कहावत, राइट स्टेप लेकर राइट तरीके से काम शुरू होता है. लेफ्ट स्टेप लेकर तो काम कभी गलत भी हो सकता है, इवेंचुअली फेल भी हो सकते हैं. सो वी वांट टू स्टार्ट दिस बिजनेस, वी वांट टू स्टार्ट आवर करियर, वी वांट टू स्टार्ट आवर फ्यूचर इन अ वेरी राइट मैनर. सो व्हाट इज दैट राइट इन DXN, my dear friends? So today I'm going to share with you 4 very, very important points. And these 4 points I have been using for 17 years now in DXN. 17 साल से मैं ये 4 पॉइंट्स हमेशा रिपीट करता हूँ, हमेशा काम करता हूँ इसके ऊपर, और लोगों को भी मैं समझाता हूँ. और ये 4 इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड्स क्या है, गोल्डन पॉइंट्स क्या है? व्हाट आर द गोल्डन 4 पॉइंट्स हियर? नंबर 1 is to practice the basic 3S plus 1M. There are quite a number of the members who is online watching me today. You already know what is 3S 1M, because I have been sharing this most of the time. In any of my talk, I will definitely cover one of those. 3S 1M हम देखेंगे क्या है. नंबर 2, हमें थोड़ा बेसिक मॉड्यूल के बारे में सीखना है. My dear friends, if you want to do this business, you will need to learn, because at the moment you start learning, you will start earning, you will start generate some income, and the more you start learning, you will be able to do presentation, you will be able to convince people, and you will also be able to guide the people. So basic module, something which is very simple that you should have before you start the business. Number 3, we every time remember this. This business can only be successful. ये business successful हो सकता है जब हम ये बिजनेस को सिंपल अंदाज में, इन अ वेरी सिंपल मैनर, डुप्लीकेट करेंगे तो. सो वी नीड टू डू डुप्लीकेशन, मीनिंग टू से whatever we do, we share to our friends, and the same they will do, and they will duplicate to others. Very simple concept, because this system of duplication is going to bring us to the height of growth one day. And mind me telling you, there will be a time it comes when you look back, you will see eventually everyone is working in the same manner. What are the working? The 3S plus 1M, the basic module. They're learning from somewhere, from the gurus, from the leaders, from the management, from any one of you, even you also, because you are going to be a leader one day. So my dear friends, if you want to duplicate something good, you will need to be prepared for that. And for that, are you ready? क्या आप लोग तैयार है कुछ सीखने के लिए? क्योंकि सीखने के बाद आपको इम्प्लीमेंट खुद करना है और उसके बाद आपको लोगों को सिखाना है. क्या ये करने के लिए आप लोग तैयार है कि नहीं? रिमेंबर वन थिंग, हम ये काम अकेले नहीं कर सकते. ये सिस्टम ही थोड़ा कुछ अलग है कि हमें साथ साथ मिलकर हमें तरक्की कमानी है. ओके, दिस सिस्टम इज वेरी यूनिक. इट इज नॉट वर्किंग बाय वन पर्सन but a team of people. We are going to work together so that you will see the growth. At the same time, you will also see your friends' growth. In so short call, it's called downlines. Yeah. Number 4, the most important thing, whatever we do, we have to do something extraordinary, my dear friends. Why? Today, I'm a very ordinary person. You are also an ordinary person. हम सब लोग एक आम आदमी हैं. But ऐसा हमें क्या करना चाहिए ताकि वो एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी बन सके? यानी कि you do something simple whereby you see there is a differences in yourself. You do something simple so that you are able to duplicate. You do something simple whereby over a period of time you will see there is some growth happening in you and also your team. Now my dear friends, this extraordinary thing I tell you has become very, very successful, a proven thing in DXN, because by this going for extraordinary, it has changed the life of millions of people in DXN. Eventually, when we started DXN, early days में जब DXN शुरुआत किया था, we have got so many normal people, आम आदमी, normal people, yeah, and today they become millionaire in DXN. So I'm very sure those who are listening to my voice today, you also want to go into this journey of become successful in your life. So now, 4 important things. Let's look a little bit in detail. What is 3S plus 1M? So for those of you, if you have your pen and paper, you can jot it down. If you have got a beautiful handphone with you, please take a screenshot, because this is something which you're going to do from today onwards, now onwards, and tomorrow. When you have got some idea how to go about it, you are going to apply this immediately. Okay. Now I'm going to share with you something very simple. The practice of 3S plus 1M. The first S is selling. Very important, my dear friends. In any kind of business, you will have to do selling. Let me go about it. What is required over here is your commitment. When you have decided that I'm going to do some selling, you will need to have commitment. If you have decided that I'm going to sustain with DXN, I'm going to join with DXN, I'm going to work with my uplines, I'm going to be here in this system, I'm going to prove myself, what you should do, you should have your commitment. You have to fulfill your commitment. Now, another S is sponsoring. I'll share with you how to go about it. Number 3 is servicing. Yeah, servicing. And number 4 is meeting. ये 4 golden word जो है बहुत important है मेरे दोस्त. Selling, sponsoring, servicing, meeting. हम कुछ भी करें. Every day, whenever you have got some time, you please do a little bit out of these 4 golden words. Eventually, when a time comes, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, or 5 years, you will see there is a growth happening. My dear friends, there's every time a say. Whatever we do in our life, हम लोग जो भी करें, चाहे वो काम हो या कोई भी हमारा मनपसंद का कुछ काम करें, consistency is very, very important. Whatever you do, if you go to work, you need to have consistency. If there is no consistency, no growth. If you go and work in any factory, there is no consistency in your work, no growth. If you do any business, if you never do the business properly, no growth. Consistency is very, very important, my dear friends. So commitment, consistency, and all these 4 beautiful things that you apply every day, you are definitely going to be successful one day. So my dear friends, when I talk to people about this selling, sponsoring, servicing, or meeting, you will hear a lot of reasons. बहुत सारे reasons होते हैं, and there are people mental or their mind has already blocked. My God, selling, I'm not going to do selling. I don't like selling. I'm seeing Sister Janet online today. Sister Janet, I'm also sure when you see this word selling, I don't think I want to do selling. I love eating. So, my dear friends, selling is basically you buy, you consume the product for yourself. You come to DXN Service Center or the branch office. If you love the coffee, you drink the coffee. That's it. Buy coffee, drink the coffee. Reward something good for yourself. You work very hard, 24 hours a day. If you get 5 minutes, just buy something good. Reward to yourself. Selling. Whatever you do, my dear friends, if you do not feed your body with some good food, with some good nutrition, your body may not be able to work for you. अब जो भी करे मेरे दोस्त, किसी को सेलिंग का शब्द ही पसंद नहीं है कि नहीं मुझे सेलिंग नहीं करना है, मुझे आता नहीं है, मुझे बोलना भी नहीं आता है, मैं किस तरह से लोगों के साथ बात करूं, बैठूं, मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं आ रहा है, लोग रिजेक्ट करते हैं बिकॉज माइंड ब्लॉक हो गया है. तो मेरे दोस्त, सेलिंग का मतलब ये है कि आपका जो मन पसंद का प्रोडक्ट है, चाहे वो कॉफी क्यों ना हो, कालो कॉफी क्यों ना हो, एक खरीदो, कोई बात नहीं, अपने बॉडी के लिए रिवॉर्ड करो. 24 घंटा आपका बॉडी काम कर रहा है और ये बॉडी को तैयार करने के लिए कुछ अच्छा खाना पीना खाओ, कुछ न्यूट्रिशन वाली चीजें खाओ, ताकि ओवर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, एक टाइम आने पर आपका बॉडी जो है वो आपका साथ दे. सो मेरे दोस्त, डीएक्सएन में हम बहुत सारी चीजें सीखते हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें हम लोग डेली लाइफ में भी अप्लाई करते हैं और लोगों के साथ शेयर भी करते हैं. बस हमें वही पकड़ना है. सो नंबर 1, आपको किसी के साथ बोलने के लिए जरूरत नहीं है. यू जस्ट बाय और कंज्यूम द प्रोडक्ट व्हाटएवर यू लाइक. वेदर यू लाइक द RGGL, you buy RGGL, consume for yourself. If you know the power of RGGL, I'm telling you, you will be able to experience the differences. If you love to eat spirulina, yeah, you just consume spirulina. There's nothing wrong. Eventually, you will find a lot of benefits in yourself. Now, मेरे दोस्त, कोई लोग मुझे ऐसे भी कहते हैं कि सर, मैंने तो मेरे लिए कंज्यूम कर लिया, मैं लोगों को कैसे कंज्यूम कराऊं? वेरी सिंपल, आप लोगों के साथ बेनिफिट शेयर करें. चाहे एक सैचेट कॉफी अपने लिए पिए, तो एक सैचेट कॉफी अपने दोस्त को पिलाओ. If you take one sachet of coffee for yourself, get your friend also one sachet of coffee, drink together, cheers together. I'm telling you, my dear friends, just with one cup of coffee, the business is already started. Just with that small initiative, you have started your business already. This is very, very unique business, my dear friends. Whether you believe me or not, directly or indirectly, you have already started your business. This is so beautiful about selling. Once you started talking to your friends, एक बार आपने अपने दोस्तों के साथ बात कर ली, यही सोच लो कि आपका बिजनेस शुरू हो गया. You have immediately started your business. Even though आपके कोने घर के एरिया में, anywhere in the area of your house, you have kitchen, you have bedroom, you have hall, you have toilets, yeah, you have the entrance, wherever you put something DXN product. If you go to kitchen or you have the products with you, yeah, you have the coffee, you have the RGGL, whatever it is, something which people can see, visible, लोग दिख सकते हैं. किचन में, हॉल में खाली डब्बा जो होता है, those empty bottles, what you should do, don't throw away, my dear friends. Decorate with that empty bottles. The logo, everything is there for you. This is a very good business tool. बहुत अच्छा business tool है. Put somewhere in the hall. लोग टीवी देख रहे हैं, टीवी के सामने लगा दो पूरे डब्बे, RGGL, spirulina, whatever products you like. And you know, Filipinos lady, as far as I know, even the sachet, coffee sachet, the pack for coffee, they do handbag. Wherever they go, people will see, wow, so colorful, coffee from coffee. So you try to decorate something with DXN product in your house. Eventually, it become a very good business tool. So anyone comes in your house, कोई भी आपका दोस्त, आपका नेबर, कोई भी आपके घर में आएंगे, बैठेंगे, देखेंगे, कुछ ना कुछ अट्रैक्शंस होगा. हॉल में जाएंगे तो डीएक्सन का प्रोडक्ट देखेंगे, किचन में जाएंगे डीएक्सन का प्रोडक्ट देखेंगे, टॉयलेट में जाना है तो डीएक्सन का प्रोडक्ट दिखाई देगा, खाना खाएंगे भी डीएक्सन का प्रोडक्ट दिखाई देगा. So you has basically done that sharing to the people who has come to your house. So my dear friend, this selling is very, very powerful. It starts everything from you. Even if you put a logo, a badge, a DXN logo, it become a good selling. Even though you take this sachet and put in your pocket here, you will see this sachet hanging. But people, whenever meet you, they greet you, their eyes will not go to you, their eyes will go to this sachet. Imagine, selling happened. If anyone comes to you, sir, what is this? Your business started. आपका बिजनेस शुरू हो गया. सो मेरे दोस्त, ये इतना सिंपल है. 17 साल से मैं ये सेम चीजें कर रहा हूँ. 17 years, my dear friends, I'm doing all this simple thing. Many people come and approach me, sir, what is this? But I don't do sponsoring. Why? Because I'm from the company. But we all, the management, plus every one of you, plus the leaders, we all should promote this unique business to the people out there, because there's many people in need of these products for their health. Now today, we are not only talking about the product, but basically we are equipped with all this basic knowledge in ourselves so that we are able to perform this business much more better. हमें ये सारी छोटी छोटी चीजें हमारे माइंड में इक्विप करना है ताकि ये बिजनेस जो हम लोग करना चाहते हैं ना, एक इतना धमाकेदार बिजनेस हो कि आप अंदाज नहीं लगा सकते हो. नंबर 2, sponsoring. So some people say sponsoring, sir, meaning you're asking for donation. No, we're not asking for donation. Neither we are asking you to give donation. Sponsoring here meaning to say, my dear friends, at the moment there is people who are interested, or you able to convince them, you will need to guide them to become member under you, because this business is not an individual business, but it's a team business. We are going to perform. So whatever you do, the same concept you share with your member. Whatever you consume, you share the same benefits to your member, so that whatever you consume, you will get the benefits, your member also will get the benefits. तो स्पॉन्सर का मतलब ये है कि आपको लोगों को चंदा नहीं देना है और आपको चंदा भी नहीं मांगना है. स्पॉन्सर का मतलब यहाँ ये है कि आपको एक साथी के साथ बात करना है, उसको कन्विंस करना है, शेयर करना है, जो भी मनपसंद का होता है शेयर करें उसके साथ, और उसको आपकी टीम के अंदर एक मेंबर बनाइए, क्योंकि ये बिजनेस अकेला नहीं है, हमें साथ साथ में ये बिजनेस लेकर आगे चलना है. नंबर 3, माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, सर्विसिंग. तो लोग कभी कभी ये बात सर्विसिंग बोले तो कहते हैं, सर, डू आई नीड अ स्क्रू ड्राइवर, हैमर और व्हाटसोएवर दिस, डू आई नीड टू गो इन टू सम सर्विसिंग, आर यू आस्क मी टू डू सम carpentry job and all? No. We're not asking you to go and service your car or ask to take any tools and whatnot. Servicing is basically, we want you to talk to your people, we want you to serve your people. सेवा करना है आपके लोगों के लिए. एंड और तो और, जिस तरह से आप अपने बॉडी को सेलिंग करते हैं, यानी कि प्रोडक्ट को खरीद कर आप अपने लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं, इट्स ऑल्सो टाइम दैट यू विल हैव टू सर्विस योर बॉडी. एवरी टाइम रिमेंबर वन थिंग, Dr. Lim Xiaojin every time cover the same story, that if you own a car, जो आपके पास एक अच्छा गाड़ी है, गाड़ी को कितना भी आप चलाएंगे, एक टाइम आता है गाड़ी को सर्विस करने के लिए. सेम थिंग, बॉडी को भी सर्विस करने के लिए जरूरत है. If you have got a car, you will need to do a maintenance. You will need to service your car so that your car is at a tip-top condition. Same thing, body also requires servicing. We have been working every day, thinking, working, whatever, all the daily activities and all. We need to ensure that the body is with us. So for that, we will need to consume good products. We need to have a healthy lifestyle. We need to have a healthy mindset. It's very important, my dear friends, because if we never take care now, later on, you will discover a lot of problems. So we every time talk, prevention is better than cure. हमेशा मेरे दोस्त, आप अभी से तैयार नहीं रखेंगे अपना शरीर को अपने साथ, यानी कि तंदुरुस्ती नहीं रखेंगे, तो एक हालात आएगा कि आपका बॉडी आपके साथ नहीं रहेगा, यानी कि वो काम नहीं कर सकता है. तो बेहतर है कि आज से हम लोग हमारे तेवर, हमारे सोचना, हमारे खाना पीना, बैठना उठना, सारी चीजें जो है वो चेंज करें. अच्छा हेल्थी लाइफस्टाइल खाना हो, रहने का जगह हो, बात करने का हो, एक तरह की कुछ अपने अंदर कुछ बदलाव लाए ताकि ये सारी चीजें हेल्थी हो सके. So my dear friends, health is not only the healthy thing. We also want some progress happen in our life. That's very important. So for that, you will need to ready for your mind, your body. Yeah. And DXN has got a complete solution with this. Number 4, meeting. My dear friends, if we do not meet, we will not know that how to do this business, because we will learn from the leaders. ये मीटिंग में मेरे दोस्त, जो हम लोग मिलेंगे नहीं तो हमें मालूम नहीं होगा कि कैसे करना है ये बिजनेस, बिकॉज ये बिजनेस जो होता है इट्स हैपन ऑल थ्रू पीपल, थ्रू शेयरिंग. कोई ना कोई दोस्त मिल जाता है तो वो शेयर करता है, इस तरह का है. किसी का प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है, वो प्रॉब्लम भी शेयर करता है. डजंट मीन एवरीथिंग इज पॉजिटिव. प्रॉब्लम ऑल्सो यू कैन टॉक, दैट्स नॉट एन इशू. Why? Because many people comes with problem, but once you already know how DXN can help them, then I don't think they will have any problem. If they want example में दे रहा हूँ आप लोगों को, हेल्थ का इशू है, DXN का प्रोडक्ट है, सोल्यूशन. पैसे का इशू है, DXN का मार्केटिंग प्लान शुरू है, तो बिजनेस कर सकते हैं, किस तरह से करना है. So we have got that solution. And ये अकेले की बात नहीं है, पूरी टीम बनकर ये काम कर रहे हैं. सो जितना ज्यादा हम मीटिंग करेंगे उतना ज्यादा अच्छा होगा, हम सीखेंगे. वी शार्पन आवर नॉलेज थ्रू द मीटिंग, थ्रू लर्निंग फ्रॉम पीपल. सो टुडे इन दिस पैंडेमिक आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल एक्चुअली. फॉर द पास्ट 2 over years आई हैव बीन डूइंग online meetings. Even recently we have celebrated our 28th virtual anniversary celebration and recognition to recognize all the star agent right until to the senior crown diamond people of Malaysia, you know. And this kind of meeting is very much important because meeting will get us connected to each other. Just like today's, if you do not have handphone, you will find that your life is incomplete. आज के जिंदगी में जो आपके पास एक हैंडफोन नहीं है, हैंडफोन चाइना, आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि आपकी जिंदगी में थोड़ा कुछ कमी है. Everyone is depending so much on the handphone because there's so much of work to be done on handphone. Your TikTok, I know many people like to do TikTok. I know many people like Facebook. खाते हैं तो अपडेट करो, घूमने के लिए जाते हो अपडेट करो, whatever you do, Facebook is a thing. शादी करिए, Facebook. कुछ भी करना है, everything is Facebook because you know through Facebook you can reach to many people. So we want to use this platform today, my dear friends. From your handphone, you do your business. That's why we have got all the business tools available for you today. We have got Evil. You can just download it from the Google Play and you can check your performance of your PV, your bonus, your group performance. You can even use this Evil in order to recruit a person. You are sitting down in Malaysia, आप मलेशिया में बैठ रहे हो, तो आपका कोई दोस्त है अमेरिका में, आप मेंबर ज्वाइन करवाना चाहते हो, use Evil. Member हो गया. If you are sitting down in Nepal, you have got someone you want to recruit him as a member, do it from the Evil. It's so convenient. Use your finger, type, done. So you see, my dear friends, 30 साल का काम हम 10 साल के अंदर करके कर सकते हैं. Why? Because ये सारे business tools हमारे साथ हैं. 30 years job, you can just do it in 10 years simply because we have all these available business tools in order to help us to grow our business. So remember one thing, none of us is perfect here. And in order for us to grow in this business, हमें सीखना पड़ेगा. Even I am also learning until today. Every day there is something new for me to learn from every one of you, irregardless whether you are a crown, you are a new member, you are a star agent. I am learning from you. मैं आप लोगों के साथ सीख रहा हूँ, चाहे स्टार एजेंट हो, क्राउन डायमंड हो, कोई भी हो. डॉक्टर के साथ बैठकर भी मैं बात करता हूँ. I learn something. कोरोना में क्या करना है? I learn something. कोरोना में make your immune system stronger. How to make your immune system stronger? Consume our product. Very simple. I'm learning, my dear friends, and there's a lot of things for us to learn in order to develop ourselves. So for that, meeting is very, very important. Even though today I'm going to share with you something very simple, I believe even one single word, if you learn, you practice, that will make you successful. Because I have been using this thing for past 17 years. And till today also, sitting down in front of you, I'm sharing the same thing. Now, don't forget 3S, 1M, the selling, the sponsoring, the servicing, the meeting. जो आपका कोई भी डाउनलाइन या आपका कोई भी साथी कहे सर मुझे क्या करना चाहिए DXN में, मुझे आगे कैसे बढ़ना चाहिए, 3S, plus 1M. If anyone asks you, sir, how am I supposed to prosper? What am I supposed to do? How can I bring my business forward? What am I supposed to do? The 3S plus 1M applies. So remember, whenever there is any online meeting, even today, Dato Dr. Lim Xiaojin, the founder and CEO, he is also doing talk, presentation, even Sunya practice over online. A founder and a CEO. How many founder and CEO you will see on live who will teach the people, who will be with the people, who will bring some changes in their life?
Okay, sir.
दिखाई दे रहा है भैया?
Yeah. ठीक है sir, ठीक है.
Okay. So I'll come back again. So my dear friends, please remember this 3S plus 1M. Very, very important. Now let's go to the next one. Let me share with you something over here. Seeing is believing. In the early days, whenever I go for meeting, I will try to change people's mindset. Why? Because when people see capsules, people see this RGGL, oh, this is medicine. ये medicine है, मैं नहीं खा सकता हूँ. इसमें यहाँ साफ-साफ लिखा है, take 2 to 3 capsules per day before meal. It is clearly written over here. Oh, spirulina. Oh, this is tablet. It is also medicine. Take 6 tablets a day. Yeah. So my dear friends, let me tell you one thing. This is one of the requirement. ये requirement है इस product के ऊपर लिखना कि minimum हमें कितना खाना है. But otherwise, it is being categorized as a food and beverage. ये खाना और पीना है. Example, if I consume one entire bottle of this spirulina, it's going to bring me so much of benefits. It's going to flourish with nutrition in my body. हमारे शरीर में इतना ज्यादा न्यूट्रिशंस आएगा कि आपको अंदाज नहीं लगा सकते. तो ये खाना पीना है मेरे दोस्त. बट जब हम लोग रजिस्टर करने के लिए जाते हैं गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से, हमें ये लिखना पड़ता है एज अ रिक्वायरमेंट. सो देयर इज नथिंग फॉर अस टू वरी. इवन अ डे, लोग कहते हैं कि मैक्सिमम 1 या 2 कॉफी पी सकते हैं, इससे ज्यादा आप नहीं ले सकते. बट DXN की कॉफी, you can ask anyone also. There are many people out there who take coffee a cup, yeah. There are people who take cup of coffee 5 times, 6 times even per day. And we know this is not just coffee. It is a healthy coffee. Why? Because there is a Ganoderma inside. And what does the Ganoderma do? It detoxifies even. That's why, my dear friends, if you find a friend who is very tired, Sister Janet, I'm seeing you online now. If you are very tired working one whole day, आप एक गर्मा गर्म, just have 1 cup of hot coffee. You will really love it. You will immediately find that your body has become calm. In short, you will feel good feeling. So my dear friends, in the very early days of DXN, I do so many kind of programs. बहुत ज़्यादा program मैंने किया है. And even I had disturbed people even to test them. Are you ready to eat 1 bottle of RG, 1 bottle of GL, 1 bottle of spirulina, 1 bottle of Morinzi? Are you ready to drink? Are you ready to eat? Can we eat together? So many people has thousands over question. लोग कहते कि सर आप पागल है, मैं पूरी बोतल RGGL खाकर मैंने मरना नहीं है. तो मैंने कहा कि ये खाना पीना है, हम साथ में खाते हैं, साथ सबसे कम हमारे अंदर जो वो विश्वास होगा, विश्वास के साथ जब लोगों के साथ बात करेंगे तो वो अलग सी सोच होती है. If you have got the confidence in yourself, remember one thing, my dear friends, whoever you talk with outside there, with your colleagues, you will have that strong belief and the convincing power. So many meetings, we have done it so over the years. And today, I'm very proud to tell you this. There are people who have been consuming this product as their daily food. हर रोज का खाना पीना. They no longer count whether I need to take 2 RG in the morning, 2 RGGL at night. No. Just take and eat it. That's it. If you find something which is not right with you, take it more. If you are healthy, keep yourself healthy. So there is nothing wrong. If you found something which is lacking in terms of nutrition, or maybe your food is not healthy today, don't worry. Take our products more. That is the most important thing, my dear friends. Yeah. Now let's look another one. GL, spirulina, moringa. आप देख सकते हैं ना, ये सारे लोगों को मैंने खिलाया है. RG, GL, spirulina, moringa. Whoever they are, they have all experienced the benefit. They have enjoyed eating the product. Cheers करके खाओ साथ साथ में. Even they do competition, कौन पहले खाता है. They are the winner. The reason we do all this thing is, my dear friends, is to create that belief system in ourselves. The reason we do all this thing is to build the confidence in ourselves. हमारे अंदर वो confidence को बढ़ाना है, ताकि जब हम लोगों के साथ बात करें तो हमें मालूम है कि we are the product. हम आपको introduce करा रहे हैं and confidence शुरू होता है. So however, my dear friends, this is very good. I would encourage each and every one of you to take our basic product, RG, GL, spirulina, moringa, morinzyme, codipine, even coffee. When I traveled to Indonesia, I found quite a number of ladies. They don't take our RGGL, neither spirulina. What they consume is only coffee. Ladies लोग, मैं इंडोनेशिया में जाता हूँ तो लेडीज लोग वहां के बस कॉफी पीते हैं. RG खाना तो खाना है, थोड़ी ना हर रोज में पीना है, कुछ खाना भी चाहिए. पीने से पी सकते हैं, बट असली खाना भी खाना चाहिए. So nutrition from coffee you will drive, but of course we also will need to take other products in order to add on more nutrition in our body, not only just coffee. If you want to feel better, you take RGGL, spirulina, coffee. Very good, my dear friends, and make this as a habit, daily food. Both important here, my dear friends. So however, you consume one whole product and you see yourself. I tell you, there is a time जब मैं लेडीज लोगों के साथ मीटिंग किया था, तो मेरे बहुत सारे लेडीज लोगों को कहा कि लेडीज, are you able to drink one bottle of moringa together with me? Let's cheers together. When I finish my sharing, we will finish one whole bottle of moringa. And best thing is this: after consuming the moringa, some of them they got stomach bloated, some of them they had some gas problem, some of them they let go some air, smell air. All kind of experience they have faced it, So what are we trying to say here is this: by consuming the moringa, basically it has helped their digestion. When they face all this problem, that shows that the ladies is having digestion problem. When you have a digestion problem, you don't even go to toilet for 2 days or 3 days. You keep it. लेडीज लोगों को बहुत प्रॉब्लम है. पूरा बोतल मोरिंगा के तो पेट फूल जाता है, हवा निकलती है, टॉयलेट जाते हैं, बास आती है. तो कहने का मतलब क्या है कि उसका हजम जो है वो ठीक नहीं है. तो हजम को अच्छा करने के लिए पूरा बोतल मोरिंगा पियो. नो इश्यू, इज नॉट एक्सपेंसिव. रिमेंबर वन थिंग, चीप थिंग इज नॉट गुड, गुड थिंग्स इज नॉट चीप ऑल्सो. रिमेंबर दिस. सस्ती चीज जो होती है वो अच्छी नहीं होती है, और अच्छी चीज जो होती है वो सस्ती बिल्कुल नहीं होता है. हमेशा याद रखो मेरे दोस्त, उसके लिए आपको थोड़ा प्राइस भी पे करना पड़ेगा. अभी आप जाएंगे कोई मनपसंद खाना खाने के लिए, अच्छे रेस्टोरेंट में जाओगे तो महंगा होता है. सेम खाना बाहर में खाओगे तो सस्ता होगा. तो आपको कौन सा खाना चाहिए? अच्छा खाना चाहिए और सस्ता वाला खाना चाहिए? ऑफ कोर्स एवरीबॉडी वांट्स अच्छा वाला खाना. सो यू डिसाइड फॉर योरसेल्फ. इफ यू थिंक सो दैट यू हैव नॉट इनफ ऑफ मनी, don't worry, chinta no lenus. We have got the wonderful marketing plan. Start working a little bit. Just like Sister Lovely Rose, who is online today, you also have started in a very small scale the business, but today you have got a team of people working with you. So that's very good. Yeah, Kali Bahadur bhai, you are working as a security guard every day, but without fail, you are still serving the people. 10 o'clock, Ashish Bhaiya, I want to use your Zoom meeting. Today, Kali Bahadur, who is a security guard, has become executive senior Sardaman, and he's watching me today on live. वो मुझे देख रहा है, हमारे काली बहादुर भैया. So if he can be successful, why not the rest of you. I'm sure we are able to do it. Now, look at this photo. You want to tell him he's a crazy man? No problem. If you want to tell me he's very excited, no problem. If you want to tell me he's a product lover, also not a problem. Because my dear friends, he do DXN with his soul heart. तो कोई issue नहीं है. Even you take such a photo, you put in the Facebook, sure people were to ask you, ये कहाँ से लिया? लोग कहते हैं कि हम पागल है. कोई बात नहीं, बोलने दो. हम पागल तो हैं, इसीलिए हम लोग जिंदगी में परिवर्तन हासिल करना चाहते हैं. हम पागल है. पागल की तरह काम करो. दोनों कान बंद करके काम करते रहो. फॉर श्योर यू विल बी एबल टू अचीव. जो लोग आपको नीचा देख रहे, एक दिन वो खुद सामने आएगा आपके साथ हाथ बढ़ाने के लिए, दोस्ती करने के लिए. क्यों? क्योंकि उस वक्त में आपके पास टाइम फ्रीडम होगा, आपके पास सारी चीजें होगा, यानी कि शायद आपका सपना भी पूरा हो सकता है. There are many people who will be jealous. Even your own family member will tell you, what? 4 ringgit? 7 ringgit? What kind of bonus is this? You're working day and night just for 20 ringgit? It's just a matter of time, my dear friends. छोटा पैसा बड़ा पैसा होता है मेरे दोस्त, अंदाज नहीं लगा सकते. काली बहादुर भाई को बता दिए उसका बोनस कितना है. उसका बोनस तनख्वाह से भी ज्यादा है. राइट काली बहादुर भैया? He's just quiet. काली बहादुर भैया का बोनस, his bonus today is more than his salary. He's happy, but yet he's very simple man. But he's working extraordinary. Remember this. So don't bother about people, my dear friends. Don't bother about your families, your friends, whoever look down on you. The most important thing is you, yourself at the end of the day. Because you is the one who's going to change the entire fortune of your family. Tomorrow when you become successful, everybody will start finding you. Why? Because you have got image, you have got money, you have brought in some good development in yourself and family. Everybody will want to become your friend. In fact, those people who was looking down on you, maybe they will become your prospect even. We never know. So don't bother. Even I, myself also, I've been in DXN for 17 years, my dear friends. 17 साल में DXN में हूँ. बहुत सारे हजारों लोगों को मैं मिला हुआ हूँ. चाहे वो मलेशियन हो, नेपाली हो, बंगाली हो, म्यांमार के लोग को, फिलिपिनो सिस्टर्स, ब्रदर्स. I've met so many people. And there's nothing wrong. हमारा सिस्टम एक दूसरे को मदद करना है. We work as a family, we work as a team, we help each other. Nothing wrong. So my dear friends, remember one thing. Do what you like, because this will change your future. So now, let's go to the second one, the basic understanding about the module. Now, DXN, we have designed a very simple module for all our members. हम लोगों ने simple module design किया हुआ है आप सब लोगों के लिए. उनमें से 6 बेसिक मॉड्यूल्स है जो हम लोग कहते हैं अपॉर्चुनिटी मीटिंग हो, प्रोडक्ट नॉलेज हो, गैनोथेरेपी हो, न्यू डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर ओरिएंटेशन, कल्चर. हमें थोड़ा सा कुछ सीखना है. A little bit things you learn. Over a period of time, so much of things you will master. बिस्तराय सिक्नुस्. एक दिन छ ठुलो नॉलेज आप लोगों को मिलेगा. So business opportunity meeting, you learn a little bit. If I were to meet a new friend, how am I supposed to talk? What am I supposed to talk? How am I supposed to convince? And how am I supposed to know better what he wants? If he wants health solution, we talk about products. If he wants to earn some living or he wants to do something in his free time, we know what basically he wants, we deliver. We work together with him. We ensure that every minute, every time he is having fun doing DXN. So my dear friends, business opportunity meeting, it can be in any form, about product, it can be about plan, it can be about making friends, it can be even serving people. Product knowledge, we need to know a little bit about the product knowledge. Very important thing. आज के दिन में चाहे कोई भी अपना मनपसंद का बिजनेस आप करें, प्रोडक्ट नॉलेज तो होना चाहिए कि ये बिजनेस को किस तरह से चलाना है, ये प्रोडक्ट का नॉलेज क्या है, मैं लोगों को कैसे समझाऊंगा, थोड़ा तो होना चाहिए. I give you one simple example. Kali Bahadur is a security guard. Sorry with this, but he is a security guard. He is working day and night for his life, for his future. If Khalid Bahadur Bhaiya don't know his basic work, his basic responsibilities, do you think so he will be able to work? Answer is no. If those Filipino sisters, you are coming here as a domestic helper, जो आप लोग in your house, if you don't know what basic things to do, I don't think so you will be able to work. So no matter what you do, you need to know some basic things. So in DXN also, you need to know the basic things about the plan, about the company, about the product, the most important thing. That's why we every time tell, before you go and promote to someone else, लोगों को बात करने से पहले आप अपने लिए पहले इस्तेमाल करो, because that will be your own experience and your experience will talk to people. That is the most important thing, my dear friends. So we have gynotherapy, we have new distributor, ये सारी चीजें थोड़ा थोड़ा सीखो. मीटिंग हो रहा है तो अटेंड करो, कोई बात नहीं, 10 मिनट 15 मिनट, no problem. 10-15 मिनट to invest to learn something, I think that is not a problem. And all the meetings, you don't even need to pay one single cent. पूरा मीटिंग फ्री है. पैसा क्या कहते हैं? Free. Don't need to pay money. There are so many leaders who will be ready to share with you their experience, how they do. Everyone has got their own way of experience. Today, Tara Podel, who is the host, he is also a security. And today, he's also running this Zoom meeting. Thank you very much, Tara Bhaiya. And why is he doing all this thing? He wants to ensure he is not only helping himself, his team, but every one of you. So there are so many leaders who are ready to serve you and serve others. I would welcome each and every one of you. I tell you, we can make DXN in this world a better living place. We can change together many people's life. सब लोगों का जिंदगी हम चेंज कर सकते हैं. ये पूरी दुनिया को एक अच्छा जगह बनाएंगे रहने के लिए. ये सारी चीजें करने के लिए आप लोगों का साथ चाहिए. So please learn something very simple. और इसके अलावा we also have got some basic modules about networking. How to go, how to become a professional. To become a doctor, you take 5 years, 6 years, 8 years, 10 years even. Even you become a doctor also, you will still keep on learning. You see, there is a difference between a doctor and us. Today you join as a member. आज आप लोगों ने मेंबर ज्वाइन किया और आपने 1200 पीवी या 100 पीवी मलेशिया का आपने कर दिया, पूरे महीने में आपका बोनस मिल गया. You started earning money. Maintain your 100 point this month, you immediately get the returns of your 100 point. But to become a doctor, you invest the money first. 400,000, 500,000 ringgit to be a doctor. After you invest that money, you get the job, then only you are being paid. That is after 4 or 5 years you get that money. 4 या 5 साल के बाद आपको वो पैसा मिलता है, तनख्वाह. But DXN में इसी महीने ज्वाइन करो, इसी महीने 100 पीवी करो, इसी महीने आपका बोनस मिलेगा. Who is going to give you this opportunity, my dear friends? That's why we tell people, 10 साल का काम 3 साल में आप कमा सकते हो, 30 साल का काम आप 10 साल के अंदर कमा सकते हो. So this is a very powerful system, my dear friends. How to invite your prospect, how to find even prospect, how to introduce to your people. I tell you, if you ask Kali Bahadur Bhai, आज काली बहादुर भाई का जितने सारे उसके टीम के लोग हैं, उसकी जान पहचान वाले लोग भी नहीं है, सब पराये लोग हैं. Time will come, you will find that the people which you know is not your downlines, is not your team, is not your partners. There are so many third party people which you don't know, they are associated with you. So beautiful this business, my dear friends. Give you one example. Tara Podel, who is our host today, nobody knows him. कोई नहीं जानता है तारा पौदल कौन है. But today he is doing meeting. He is serving everybody. He earned nothing from this meeting, but he is serving. I earn nothing from all of you, but I earn the blessings. Why? Because I'm sharing. The more you share to people, the more blessings you earn, my dear friends. Remember this. We are doing a very good job for people, and we are serving the humanity. So, to find the prospect, many people ask me where. Very easy. अब ये सोच लीजिए 10 साल पहले आपके पास कोई अच्छा मोबाइल भी नहीं था, फेसबुक भी नहीं था. आज के दिन में कुछ भी करो, एक दबा दो, हजारों लोगों को मालूम हो गया आप क्या कर रहे हो. I'm telling you, the social economy, the social media nowadays is so sophisticated. Facebook, one click, thousands of people know. All that is your prospect. So much of things you can do. I still remember we have got our Filipino Pinoy, executive star diamond Jobilin. I don't know whether you know them. She and her team all. What they will do? A little bit menu. They do it. They will post in the Facebook. Whatever they consume, they put in the Facebook. They put in their WhatsApp group. They put in the Messenger group. They put it everywhere, even Instagram also. So many customers they get, What is the problem? आज के दिन में चाहे वो डॉक्टर हो, इंजीनियर हो, कोई भी बड़ा आदमी क्यों ना हो, सब लोग सेल्स कर रहे हैं. Everybody is doing sales, whether you're a doctor, engineer, whatever kind of profession you have got. Everybody is doing business. Everybody wants sales. Everybody wants money. So what's the problem? We are doing the same. But here, we are helping others also. That is the difference here. The more you help your people, the more you will be successful. जितना ज्यादा आप अपने टीम को, लोगों को आप मदद करेंगे, उतना ज्यादा तरक्की, कामयाबी आप हासिल कर सकते हैं. Every time remember this, my dear friends. So of course, you learn day. Basically, I'm doing presentation. I did not learn this presentation in 1 day, 2 days. It takes over a period of time. So आप लोगों को बिल्कुल डरने के लिए जरूरत नहीं है. प्रेजेंटेशन मालूम नहीं है, आराम तरीके से बात करो, जैसे कि आप दोस्त के साथ बात कर रहे हो. चिंता मत करो आपका इंग्लिश अच्छा हो या आपका हिंदी अच्छा ना हो, नेपाली, कोई भी भाषा में सिंपल अंदाज में बोलो, दोस्ती की तरह बोलो, आपका काम हो जाएगा. बट कॉन्फिडेंस से बात करना है. That is the most important thing. Don't worry about your language. You can speak Tagalog, you speak Tagalog. You can speak English, you speak English. If you can pick up some Hindi words or Nepali words or whatever kind of languages you can pick up. Even why not if it's a greeting? Because today with this business, you can sponsor anyone. किसी को भी आप sponsor कर सकते हैं. So do something which is very simple presentation, where immediately you can convince people. And remember one thing, start it right. Even though you join member today, start it right. Tomorrow you become star agent, you don't know what to do, go back again to the basic and start it right. Tomorrow जब आप स्टार डायमंड बनोगे, आपको मालूम नहीं क्या करना है, बेसिक पे चले जाओ, सही तरीके से शुरुआत करो. Every time start it right. एक कहावत होती है, जैसे कि आपका टी शर्ट हो रहा है, बटन अच्छी तरह से नहीं डाला तो टी शर्ट अच्छा नहीं दिखता है. एक बटन लगाओगे तो शर्ट पूरा अच्छा दिखता है. Your t-shirt, if you never button that in a proper manner, it will not be a good shirt on you. But if you button one at a time, that shirt will look so beautiful on you. Start it right. Yeah. Now, let's move on. Duplication. I've explained very lengthy about duplication. Do something which is very simple. People look, they will duplicate it. I tell you, we have got so many beautiful kids. छोटे छोटे बच्चे लोग घर में माँ बाप कॉफी पीते, बच्चे लोगों को कोकोजी पिलाते हैं, तो बच्चे लोग भी मार्केटिंग करते हैं दूसरे लोगों के घर में जाकर, नहीं मुझे कोकोजी ही चाहिए और कुछ नहीं चाहिए. मार्केटिंग. बच्चे लोग started. We have got such a good testimony. Small kids, when they started drinking Cocozi, when they go to school during the recess time, they ask for Cocozi, and the school don't have Cocozi. So when the mother, father start giving Cocozi to these people, the kids is, already doing marketing. Spirulina, my dear friends, there was a place in Malaysia called Kelantan. When I went, we was having a program. I saw so many small kids. They eat all those coloring sweets, red color, pink color, green color. छोटे छोटे बच्चे लोग, माँ बाप छोटा छोटा वो स्वीट देता है, रंग रंग का स्वीट देता है. It's all coloring, which is very bad. Young age. If you give them a wrong food, how will be the growth of the kids? Please remember, गलत खाना दोगे तो वो छोटे बच्चा किस तरह का mental develop, health develop होगा. So what happened at that day? I brainwashed all the ladies. Don't give all this coloring sweet. Don't give all these colorings. It's very, very bad for health. You give one, they ask for another one. It eventually become a habit. In DXN, we have got the most powerful product. Give spirulina. I tell you, I took one bottle, I gave to all the kids spirulina. Two tablets I gave. Eventually all become green. And they were so happy. So I told to the mother, मैंने इसकी माँ को समझाया कि ये कितना न्यूट्रिशन है. घर में बच्चे सब्जियां वगैरह बहुत कम खाते हैं, बकवास खाना चाहता है. स्पायरुलिना मैंने 2 टेबलेट्स बच्चे लोगों को खिलाया. जब एक माँ बाप होकर हमें मालूम नहीं होगा कि सही खाना क्या होता है, तो बच्चे की ग्रोथ कैसी होगी. So that is very important, my dear friends. We are what we eat. We should eat something very healthy. If you found that your daily intake meal is not healthy, please take DXN product. My advice to every one of you. So duplicate something very simple like this. Then you will see your business grow very fast. You don't need to become a specialist. You don't need to become a guru. You don't need to become a headmaster. You don't need to explain so much in detail. But you do something simple, people see they can do it. Explain something in simple, you will be able to do it. Because in order for you to become successful, we must start somewhere. Yeah. So extraordinary also, I have shared with you. It's a very simple thing. We are all ordinary people. How we want to become extraordinary? What we have to do? So usually I talk to the members. If you want to become extraordinary, try to do something which you have never done it. लोग कहते हैं कि सर मैंने स्कूल छोड़ दिया है, अभी मुझे नहीं पढ़ना है. मत पढ़ो, बस सीखो. आप सीखेंगे, पढ़ने के लिए जरूरत नहीं है. आप सीखो, प्रैक्टिस करो, खुद ब खुद मालूम हो जाएगा क्या करना है. प्रैक्टिकल में करो, कोई बात नहीं है. पढ़ना नहीं आता है, चिंता नो लेनो, करो, बोलो, खिलाओ, खाओ. Possible. If you don't know how to read, no problem. Practical. Start doing, start giving, start consuming. Get people to eat. You're done. Something which you have not done it. I'm sure when you started doing like this, my dear friend, you will have your own personal development. You will have so many ideas that you can apply in your daily lives in order to expand this business. So ये business इतना powerful है, my dear friends. I tell you, I just hats off to all the members who are watching me on live today. आप सब लोगों को दिल से मैं आप लोगों को बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया और धन्यवाद कहना चाहता हूँ. Why? Because I personally started from Malaysia. मैंने मलेशिया से स्टार्ट किया. I started DXN in Malaysia. And in Malaysia, I have got the Muslims, I've got the Indians, I've got the Chinese, I've got the Indians, I've got all these people to serve. But apart from that, I get more beautiful family, more family members came in here. The Bangladeshi brothers, sisters, the Nepali brothers, sisters, the Filipinos brothers, sisters, the Myanmar brothers, sisters. So we have got so many others, Yemenis and all. They all today are associated with DXN in Malaysia. And from here, we have grown to other countries. So my dear friends, all this thing is possible when we are together. All this is possible when you are ready to do something. आपको जहां तक भूखे हैं कुछ करने के लिए, कुछ हासिल करने के लिए, आप हजारों रास्ता ढूंढेंगे. बिना कुछ करके आप हजारों रास्ता ढूंढेंगे कि कौन सा अच्छा रास्ता है आपके लिए. ट्राई करते रहोगे और एक दिन डेफिनेटली आप हासिल करोगे कामयाबी. So now the extraordinary skills is also this: how to find prospect, कहाँ से ढूंढना है, कैसे ढूंढना है, कैसे लोगों को invite करना है, how to invite people, how to make simple presentation, how to do some follow up. If you met a friend, I drank one coffee, your friend drank one coffee, follow up, how was the coffee? Would you like to have 3 or 4 bags of coffee? Nothing wrong. Follow up karo. And start it right every time. This is the skills you will need to have. The more you try to apply, you will try to develop. Even though you fail also, you go back again to the basic and start it in the right way. There are many ways, my dear friends. And today, this company has been 28 years. 28 साल हो गई ये कंपनी का. इतने सारे लोगों की जिंदगी हम लोगों ने चेंज की है और 28 साल की कंपनी अभी पूरी दुनिया में मौजूद है. Just name it where you want to go. So stick with the company, stick with the plan, and I'm very sure we will be able to do this business beautifully. So remember, my dear friends, whatever we do, it's all worthwhile. What is required here is the time and effort. हम जो भी काम करेंगे, मेहनत करेंगे, सब रंग लाएगा. बट इसमें 2 चीजें हैं. एक टाइम, दूसरा मेहनत. ये 2 चीजें चाहिए. पौधे को देखिए, पौधे को एक बड़ा पेड़ बनने के लिए कितना टाइम लगता है. तो हमें भी सब्र करना चाहिए, बट हमें मेहनत करना चाहिए और हौसला होना चाहिए, एफर्ट डालनी चाहिए. तब एक ना एक दिन जो भी हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं वो हासिल होगा, रंग लाएगी. For whatever we do, my dear friends, the time and effort is very much required. So I think whatever I have shared with you today, आज जो भी मैंने आप लोगों के साथ शेयर किया है, somewhere somehow this will benefit for you today. And if you have got any question, I would appreciate after this meeting, I will only take maximum 3 sawal, 3 questions you can ask me. Okay. So however, once again, thank you very much for having me. And I would like to pass back this session to Mr. Tara Powder. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. बहुत बहुत